Right, question 3, it says triangle ABC is isosceles with perpendicular height 12 and ACB 72. Okay, now in this case then they ask us to calculate the length AC. Now what's really good, right, about an isosceles triangle is that it's symmetrical. Okay, it's important to remember that. Because these two sides are the same length, alright, this angle down here is also going to be 72. Okay, so it's got a line of symmetry, right? Now the line of symmetry goes straight through the middle here. Okay, and I would draw it in on my shape, because when you draw it in, you can see then what's going on. Okay, you could see that actually by drawing that vertical there, I've got myself a right angle triangle. Okay, I've got a right angle triangle here. Okay, and then when we have a right angle triangle, we can use SOHCAHTOA and so on. So my focus now is going to be on this side of the triangle here, right? So just look at half of the isosceles triangle. If we focus here, and I'm going to draw it out again. I'm going to draw it over here so that it is clear to me. Okay, so if you think about it, my C is there, yeah, and the angle is 72. Okay, all right. Now it tells me that the perpendicular height is 12. So in other words, this height here, yeah, that height there is 12, which is represented by this side. And I know now this is a right angle. Now if I can work out this side here, okay, what I've effectively done then is I've worked out this side, haven't I? My isosceles. Okay, because they want length AC, if you think about it then, once I know that, to get AC, I've just got to double this, yeah? Think about it that way. So let's focus now on the half of the isosceles which I've drawn over here, and as I said, it's a right angle. When you label them then, this is your hypotenuse, and that's your opposite, okay, opposite the angle, and your adjacents down here. Now I want to find the adjacent, okay, and I'm given the opposite, so O and A, okay, right? So those are the two letters I'm writing down. As I said, I want to find A, and I'm given O, so O and A. So with my SOHCAHTOA, write that down. The O and A appears here, of course. Tan, so I'll have tan 72 equals O, which is 12, over the adjacent here, which is A. Okay. Now in this case, right, I want to work out A. A is on the bottom, isn't it? Alright? And that's okay, right? But you need to realize to get A, you've got to do a little bit more work here, okay? Because A is on the bottom. What you could do is take the A up, of course, because you're dividing by A. If you take it up, you'll have A times tan 72, which equals 12. And then, of course, one more step, to get A on its own, that tan 72, because you're timesing by it, take it over and divide by tan 72. Okay? Effectively, what I've actually done is I've swapped these two around, right? But following through these steps might help you see why it works. Okay, so I've got to do on my calculator 12, okay, divide by, use the fraction button if you want, tan 72, okay, so I do that and it comes out to be 3.899, okay, centimeters. Now don't forget, that's this length here. So to get all of AC, I just need to double it. So AC will be twice that. Okay, so times the answer by 2. And I get this 7.79, so 7.8. If I round it to one decimal place, is my answer.